Well, I read about the gold leaf electroscope in my book, but never saw one. But do you really need gold leaves to make an electroscope? Not really. So you really wondered what is an gold leaf electroscope? So gold leaf electroscope is a simple device to detect the presence of charge on a body. So without any further ado, let's get started. Materials required: a glass jar, a dried out pen, a sheet of aluminum foil, a thick wire. Now take a glass jar, mark a dot on the upper cap of the glass jar and make a hole with the soldering iron. You can use a compass to make a hole. Now take a pen, snap open the pen and remove the ink cartridge with the help of a plier and fit and force the empty ink cartridge onto the glass jar. If the empty ink cartridge is too big, cut into a short size and fit into a glass jar. Now take a plier and cut the thick wire with the actual size of the jar. Now take a blade or a knife and peel off the outer insulator of the wire. Now twist the wire with the help of a plier so that it looks like one thick wire. Don't use your bare hands to twist the wire because the sharp ends may hurt your hands. Now you can see the ends of an wire is very sharp. Get rid of the sharp ends because the electric charge may escape within the wires. By applying hot glue, or you can also use soldering iron, you can seal the wire. In my case, I use soldering iron. Now insert the empty ink cartridge into the cap. And also insert the thick wire inside the ink cartridge. And fold the other end of the wire into a hook and fit the cap. Now you can see the ink cartridge is not fit tightly. So to solve the problem, apply a block of hot glue gun to hold it in place. Now take a sheet of aluminum foil and cut into a strip. and cut two strips with a measurement of 5 cm long and 1.5 cm wide. Now take the two strips, fold the upper part of the strip and cut into a triangle. Now you can see the hole on the strips. Now fit the two strips into a hook and close the cap. Now rub a PVC pipe or a plastic with the wood. Soon the pipe will acquire electrical charge. Bring the charged pipe or a plastic close to the wire circle. Do not touch it. The charge from the pipe or a plastic will travel through a copper wire to the hanging aluminum strips. As both strips will acquire the same charge and they will repel. Remember to try this experiment on a dry day. On a wet rainy day the experiment will be failure as the charge will leak out in the moisture because humidity is an enemy of static electricity. So this is Dynamic Innovator. Thanks for watching and signing off.